The Nation Guard Protect and the Yellow House have interrupted all Lewis channels for a tornado warning. The tornado will arrive in 10 minutes and is a Cat 10 danger Chelly. Moving at 550 miles per hour or 1000 lmph. Go to an underground area away from objects that can and will be destroyed. This message only applies for Daly, Bandham, Ely City, New State Westernburg and Lewis Central. Make sure to bring food, water and medical supplies enough to last 14 days. For more info go to a battery-powered radio or TV. Make sure not to make phone calls as the military need to investigate the damage. If you want more info go to lewisland.gov.li/tornado/today.